All right, welcome back to this video. In this video, I wanted to take the time to show you how to draw a piano keyboard. Now, I know that sounds maybe like, why would I ever need to draw a piano keyboard? But as you progress through your musical journey, you'll find at times to be able to draw a piano is very useful, right? Because as you've been learning about the, reading music and how the notes relate, the keyboard is a very excellent instrument because it lays out the notes logically in the same way that we read them, in a logical fashion. And there are times where it will be very useful if you don't have a keyboard around to be able to just pick up your pen and draw one, whether it be in an exam, whether it be, let's say your phone battery died and you want to compose, or you want to just have a look at how the notes relate to each other. Maybe you've got an idea for a piece of music or something, any kind of reason. So I'm going to take some time to show you. Now, as you all know, or probably by now, I am not the world's most gifted drawer. However, that doesn't matter. My piano teacher taught me how to do this many years ago, and it has been extremely helpful, so that's why I wanted to show you. So what you do, start off, this is as straight as you can. Oh dear. Yes, try to do it as straight as you can, right? Create like kind of like a box, right? Like a long rectangle, something like that, right? You don't have to do it that big. You can just do that if you want, right? The longer the better, I think. You'll find that, well, depends your reasoning for drawing the keyboard, but you'll see maybe by the end why you might want a smaller one or a bigger one. Okay, so what you do now, you just divide this into the keys, right? Try to go all the way down to the bottom. You divide this. These are the keys of the piano, right? Just pieces of wood with some plastic or ivory. Obviously not ivory anymore. That would not be very nice, but I think originally they made piano keyboards out of the white notes with ivory. Maybe the black notes too, painted black. I can't be sure. But nowadays I think they are some kind of shiny plastic which doesn't come from an animal, which is obviously much better for the animals. Now, etc. I'll just finish that off a bit kind of quicker, right? You can take your time and do that properly, right? So, and maybe I'll do this one under here a bit quicker. You want to be as careful as you can to get this nice, but I'm just showing you. I don't want to bore you, so that'll do for that. Now, remember, on a piano keyboard, what do you notice on a piano keyboard? They have a set of 2 black notes, then nothing, then a set of 3 black notes and nothing, and that pattern just repeats. 2, nothing, 3, nothing, 2, nothing, 3, etc. So up here, you can see again here, 2, nothing, 3, nothing, 2, nothing, 3. Oops. Yeah, you get the idea, right? Okay, so down here, this is what we do. We start here, drawing 1, 2, and then a nothing. And then we do 3. Color that in, 1, 2, 3. Then leave 1, 1, 2, leave 1, 1, 2, 3, then leave 1, 1, 2, leave 1, 1, 2, 3, leave 1, 1, 2, leave 1, 1, 2, 3. And if you're an amazing drawer, I'm sure yours will look a lot better than mine does, and I'm sure you can take the time to maybe make sure this looks all nice. But already, like if we could, okay, keep going, whatever. but you can probably see already. It's quite easy to see. There's a C, right? 2 black notes, 1 down. 2 black notes, 1 down. So there's a C. 2 black notes, 1 down, C. 2 black notes, 1 down, C, right? So then 3 black notes, 1, 2, 3, that's F, right? 1, 2, 3, F, 1, 2, 3, F. Okay, cool. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, etc., etc., right? So you can see the how quickly and how well you can draw this keyboard. And just in case you weren't sure how I was doing this, I'll do a kind of a zoomed up version, right? Oh, kind of moderately zoomed up. And I'll try to do this a lot cleaner. Alright, so then what we've done all the keys and we keep doing that. Now kind of like this, right? And then we're kind of coloring them in, right? And then we do another one, and that will be our first 2 black notes. And that'll, right, and then we miss one, and then we do our next one. So we're just kind of next to it, across, and then up, right? And we'll color, right? And they'll just keep going. And obviously you can see this, when you spend a little bit more time, looks a lot better than this. But I hope you get the idea. Maybe just have a practice at doing that. You can see that's C, D, E, etc. All right, good. So that's pretty much all I wanted to cover in this video here. So I will look forward to seeing you in the next video.